Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how M1 Borrow works. M1 Borrow is a feature that allows users to borrow money against their investment portfolio. Here is a step-by-step explanation of how it works. First, users need to have an account with M1 Finance, a financial services company that offers investing, borrowing, and spending products. To be eligible for M1 Borrow, users must have a taxable investment account with a minimum balance of $10,000. Once the account is set up, users can apply for M1 Borrow through the M1 Finance platform. The application process typically takes a few minutes and requires users to provide some basic information about their investment portfolio and financial situation. After the application is approved, users can borrow up to 40% of their portfolio's value, with a minimum loan amount of $500. The interest rate on M1 Borrow loans is currently 6.75%. Although this rate may be subject to change over time, it is essential to note that M1 Borrow loans are secured by the user's investment portfolio, which means that if the user defaults on the loan, M1 Finance may sell some of the securities in the portfolio to repay the debt. This is why it is crucial for users to carefully consider their financial situation and the potential risks before applying for an M1 Borrow loan. To illustrate how M1 Borrow works, let's consider a practical example. Suppose a user has an investment portfolio worth $50,000 and wants to borrow $20,000 to cover some unexpected expenses. With M1 Borrow, the user can borrow up to 40% of their portfolio's value, which in this case would be $20,000. In terms of best practices, it is recommended that users only borrow what they need and have a plan in place to repay the loan. Users should also regularly review their investment portfolio and adjust their borrowing needs accordingly. In conclusion, M1 Borrow is a feature that allows users to borrow money against their investment portfolio. By following these steps and considering the potential risks and benefits, users can make informed decisions about their financial situation and use M1 Borrow as a useful tool for managing their finances.